Alright, today's video is for Ava, who requested a red, orange, and green planet. So let's make it happen. Let's just add some green. Next, let's add some red. And then last, let's just throw some orange on here too. One corner there, and a little bit right there. Next, I'm going to take my newspaper, just flat, pick it up, just try to move and swirl some of these colors around. It's starting to look really good. Okay, cool. I'm going to add a little bit more red there. A little bit more green there. And just a pinch of orange right there. Next, I'm going to head and just add some shadow here. Looks great. Next step, I'm going to go ahead and put my bowl on top of my newly painted planet. I'm going to try to center it the best that I can. I think that looks pretty good. Let's paint the rest of this in black to really get that night sky going. Cover all of the other colors that are coming outside of the bowl too. Perfect. Next step is going to be adding some stars. Just like that. Now let me add some streaks going across the sky of orange, green, and red. Let's start with orange. Get some green. And then, as promised, let's do some green. Okay, in time for the reveal. That looks awesome.